Hello everyone, welcome to my channel India Gate. This is Nani Sharma, and in this session it is very special for the mechanical and civil engineering branch. Here I discuss the EKT previous year question paper. So let's get starting. Here first question of this session is, if the center of the circle is -6, 8 and it passes through the origin, then equation to be its tangent at the origin is. So correct answer is option B. And come to the solution for this question. So it is very easy because here tangent is 0. So here the equation is going to be like a by plus ax equal to 0, because here tangent is origin, okay, at origin. So after the putting the value a and b, that is this and this, here b is 8 and a is -6. Now we get the correct answer is option B, that is 4y is equal to 3x. So option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The liquid is flowing separately through each of the two pipes whose diameter are in the 2:1. If the ratio of the velocity of the flow in the pipe is given by 1:2, then the ratio of the amount of liquid flow per second through the pipe will be. So it is very simple and straightforward answer, and correct answer is option A. Why? Because here we know that velocity is inversely proportional to the liquid flow per second. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The next question is defined as, if fx equal to x plus, here correct the equation. Here fx equal to x plus mod x square minus 8, then the derivative of fx at x equal to 3 is. So it is very easy. Why? Because here just put the value of the x in the function fx, and we got the correct answer is option B, that is 7. Okay, now come to the next question. The next question is defined as, it is from the Bayes formula, and we also say that it is from the probability, which is your conditional probability. And it is very easy. Just put the one formula, that is your P A upon B is equal to probability of A into probability of A union B upon probability of the B. So this is a formula for the Bayes formula. So here we found the value of the probability A by B, which is correct answer, the option A, that is 1/4. Now basis of this formula, if you remember these formulas, which is very easy, so you can easily qualify the EKT exam. There is not a complex task for you as like GATE and other competitive examinations. So come to the here next question. The angle between the two vector A is equal to I plus 2j minus k and B equal to 2I plus j plus k is. So here it is also easy, where we know that the angle between the vector is equal to the cos theta under root x square plus y square upon something. So we just find the value of the theta and get the correct answer, that is your option C, 60 degree. Next question. Newton is unit of the forces. It is the unit in. So correct answer is option C, that is FPS system. So FPS system is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Here a Faraday is defined as. So correct answer is option B, that is coulombs per volt. And it is very easy type of question, which is already learned in the 12th and 11th class. So next question is defined as, prevalence of the magnetic circuit corresponding to the following quantity in the electrical circuit. So correct answer is for this question is option C, that is conductance. Next question. Hydrometer is an instrument for the measuring. So correct answer is option D, that is specific gravity. Next question. Radioactivity is a property of. So correct answer is option A, atomic nuclei. Next question. A bar of length L meters extended by 1 mm under a tensile force of P. The strain produced in the bar is equal to. So correct, and the answer for this question is option D, that is 0.001 I upon L. Next question. A rod is enclosed centrically in the tube and the assembly is tightened by the rigid washer. If the assembly is subjected to a compressive load, then. So correct answer is option C, that is both rod and tube are under the compression. Now we come to the next question. Here the shear force and the bending moment are 0 at the free end of the cantilever beam if it is carry arm. So correct answer is option C, that is a uniformly distributed load over the whole length. Next question. The amount of the resistance of a balanced reinforced concrete beam is based on the stresses is. So correct answer is option C, that is steel and concrete both. Next question. In a flange coupling, the flange are coupled together by the mean of. So correct answer is option A, that is bolts and nuts. Next question. A transmission shaft including. So correct answer is option D, that is all of these, and it includes option A, counter shaft, line shaft and overhead shaft. Now come to the next question. A locking device in which the bottom cylindrical portion is received to receive the tip of the locking set screw is called. So correct answer is option C, that is ring nut. Next question. In a ventilator, the flow take place at. So correct answer is option A, that is atmosphere pressure. Now come to the next question. The total pressure on the top of the closed cylindrical vessel completed fill up with a liquid is. So correct answer is option C, directly proportional to radius to power of 4. Now come to the next question. So next question is defined when the Mach number is more than 6, the flow is called. So correct answer is option D, is hypersonic flow. Next question. The discharge through a convergent mouthpiece is dash the discharge through the internal mouthpiece of the same diameter and the head of the water. So correct answer is option D, that is double. Next question. Which of the following statement is wrong? So there are three statements, and statement first, the spherorodicking process is usually applied to the high carbon tools steel which are difficult to machine, and option B, the spherorodicking process, the cementite in the granular form is produced in the structure of the steel, and option C, the annealing process causes a complete recrystallization in the steel which have been several cold working and new grain structure is formed. So correct answer is option D, that is none of these, means all statements are correct. Next question. Duplex process of steel making is a combination of. So now, correct answer is option B, acid Bessemer and basic open heart process. Now, come to the next question. The property of the material necessary for the forging in stamping the image on the coin and in ornamental work is. So, correct answer is option B, that is plasticity. Next question. A ladder is resting on the smooth ground and leaning against a rough vertical wall. The force of the friction will act. So correct answer is option D, that is upward at its upper end. Next question. The slope on the road surface generally provided on the curve is known as. So correct answer is option C, that is angle of bending. Next question. For any system of the coplanar forces, the condition of the equilibrium is that D. So correct answer is option D, that is all of above. And options are algebraic sum of the horizontal component of all the forces should be 0. Algebraic sum of the vertical component of the all forces should be 0. Algebraic sum of the moment of all the forces about any point should be 0. So all of these are the correct answer. Next question. An open cycle gas turbine work on. So correct answer is option C, that is Joule's cycle. Next question. When a gas is cooled at the constant pressure, so correct answer is option D, both temperature and volume decreases. Next question. As per the Charles law, the volume of the given mass of the perfect gas varies dash as its absolute temperature when the absolute pressure constant. So correct answer is option A, directly. Next question. In the extensive property of the thermodynamic system, so correct answer for this question is option D, that is none of these. So these are all three options are not correct for this given thermodynamic system. Next question. Rotary compressors are used for delivering. So correct answer is option D, that is large quantity of the air at a low pressure. Next question. A rotary compressor is driven by an. So correct answer is option C, that is either A or B, means either electric motor or engine. Next question. An centrifugal compressor, an increase in speed at a given pressure ratio causes. So correct answer is option D, increase in flow and decrease in efficiency. Next question. A large clearance volume is reciprocal compressor resulting in. So correct answer is option A, reduce volume flow rate. Next question. The effect of having excess chamber is. So correct answer is option D, an even tire wear. Next question. If the air fuel mixture ignites before the spark take the place at the spark plug, the condition is called. So correct answer is option C, that is pre-ignition. Next question. The diagram which show the correct crack position corresponding to the opening and closing of the valve is known as. So correct answer is option C, that is valve timing diagram. Next question. In valve engineering, the term value refers to. So correct answer is option D, that is utility of the product. Next question. Production cost refers to prime cost plus. So correct answer is option A, factory overheads. Next question. A systematic job improve the sequence will be consist of. So correct answer is option D, that is all of these, and options are motion study, time study, job enrichment. Next question. Cast iron cast iron during the machining process produces. So correct answer is option B, that is discontinuous chips. Next question. A single point thread cutting tool should ideally have. So correct answer is option A, that is zero rack angle. Next question. The cutting tool in the milling machine is mounted on. So correct answer is option A, that is arbor. Next question. And a quick way to view our entire driving area is to use the zoom command by the typing. So correct answer is option A, that is type Z, enter A. Next question. When setting up a mechanical drawing in a AutoCAD, the drafter should set the unit to. So correct answer is option B, that is decimal. Next question. In a class B push-pull amplifier, the transistors are biased slightly about cutoff to avoid it. So correct answer is option A, that is crossover distortion. Next question. The depletion mode MOSFET. So correct answer for this question is option D, that is can operate with positive as well as negative gate voltages. Next question. Ailerons are used to control. So correct answer is option C, that is roll. Next question. Stalling of the aerofoil occurs. So correct answer is option A, that is when the angle of the attack is beyond critical angle of the attack. Next, now this session is end here. I hope you understand all the questions and you have get the idea about the paper. So this paper is very easy, definitely guys. If your basic is clear about the engineering subjects plus your core subject, then it is very easy to qualify the EKT paper, because it is very easy paper as compared to all engineering paper. So all the best to all FCAT aspirant. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.